Welcome back to Spy Garage.
As the ultimate in ultra-luxury ground transportation, the 2026 Prevost Liberty VIP Motorcoach pushes the limits of traditional travel and bills itself as an experience better than a private jet. Built on the renowned and highly adjustable Prevost coach chassis, this bold assertion is based on its unmatched combination of spaciousness, tailored luxury, silent operation, and the special capacity to provide continuous, deep engagement with the journey's changing landscape. Fundamentally, the Prevost Liberty VIP Motorcoach prioritizes an expansive interior volume that even the most generously proportioned private airplane cannot match, making it a moving sanctuary. This makes it possible to integrate amenities and customize the interior to a degree that is just not feasible in an aircraft setting. Imagine having several separate living areas, such as a gourmet kitchen that can produce 5-star meals, a private master suite with a full-size bed, a grand salon for formal entertaining, and possibly even a dedicated video room or a quiet office area. Full-height ceilings, walk-in closets, and large, spa-like bathrooms are made possible by the coach's extreme width, which redefines mobile living by offering a feeling of home comfort. The interior design would be a masterpiece of custom luxury, tailored to the wealthy owner's precise requirements and personal preferences. The finest materials would be used, including hand-stitched Italian leathers, veneers of rare and exotic wood, polished precious metals, and specially commissioned textile panels or artwork. With features like elaborate marquetry, subtly incorporated ambient lighting into architectural features, and custom hardware enhancing the tactile experience, every surface would be a tribute to skilled craftsmanship. With layers of cutting-edge soundproofing and Prevost's natural stillness, the sound environment would be carefully managed to create an incredibly peaceful voyage that is frequently quieter than a private jet's cabin. The Prevost Liberty VIP Motorcoach of 2026 would be a technological wonder of interconnected systems. Everything from entertainment, security, and communication to climate control and dynamic lighting settings would be managed by an advanced, user-friendly smart home automation system. Cellular connectivity with high-speed, multi-redundant satellite internet would provide smooth international communication and entertainment, while extensive security measures, such as cutting-edge surveillance and access control, would offer peace of mind. Sophisticated air and water purification systems would ensure immaculate conditions within. Silent, large-capacity battery banks and advanced generators would provide power, guaranteeing total independence for prolonged periods of time without the need for external connections. The constant, changing sensory experience is the primary benefit over a private jet. Although a jet provides speed, a motorcoach enables true immersion. Travelers can take in the shifting scenery, stop whenever they want to investigate an enthralling view, hold meetings in a natural light-filled moving office, or just unwind in a living room while the world passes by. Compared to the limitations of air travel, its usefulness and comfort are further increased by the capacity to transport a sizable retinue, a large amount of luggage, and even a towed vehicle. In addition to being a means of transportation, the 2026 Prevost Liberty VIP Motorcoach offers a customized, opulent, and incredibly adaptable experience, making it an alluring substitute for anyone seeking the best possible travel experience without the constraints of altitude.